In no particular order, we are going to learn how to say the following words in Igbo.
I, bird, toilet, wind, tree.
Also, you will get to play the picture vocabulary quiz. Ndewo, we are ready. If you're ready, anyị bido.
I,
Anyị, Anyị,
bird,
nnụnụ, nnụnụ,
toilet,
mpochi, mpochi,
wind,
ikuku, ikuku,
tree,
osisi, osisi.
Improve your fluency in Igbo by learning everyday Igbo.
Coming up next is the picture vocabulary quiz. This is a fun and timed quiz to test your Igbo vocabulary knowledge. 1. Look at the image and listen to the English word.
Chair,
2. Name the Igbo word for the image within the given time. 3. The answer will be revealed after the time is up. Oche, ka anyị bido.
tree,
Osisi,
bird,
nnụnụ,
toilet,
mpochi,
I,
Anyị,
wind,
ikuku. Did you get all 5 correct? Let us know if you have any questions. Vocabulary are the building blocks to improving your fluency in Igbo. To learn more and practice everyday Igbo words in this series, click on the video showing on your screen.